वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to season 2 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed how Guru Angad Dev Ji, overwhelmed by the pain of separation from Guru Nanak Dev Ji, secluded himself in a hidden chamber known only to Mai Virai Ji. Soon after, Baba Buddha Ji and the Sikhs set out to search for him and finally discovered the chamber where Guruji was. Baba Buddha Ji, then with his deep spiritual awareness, sensed the presence of his Guru as soon as he approached the house. Carefully, Baba Buddha Ji removed the plaster, sealing the door and entered. Inside, he saw the radiant, serene face of Guru Angad Dev Ji, sitting in deep meditation. Let's see what happens next. Now, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, यो कह बुड्ढे ने अपने हाथ उखार चिन्यो दर खोलन की ना. Meaning, after praying to his Guru with folded hands, Baba Buddha Ji then removed the plaster and bricks away and opened the door. Then he saw Guru Angad Dev Ji sitting in deep meditation in his serene beauty, with his eyes closed and so peaceful vibes all around. The divine beauty of Guruji was beyond earthly description. His face radiant with a soft celestial glow that seemed to illuminate the entire universe. The peaceful aura around Guru Angad Dev Ji was so profound that it felt like the very air had been blessed by his presence. Baba Buddha Ji felt the same spiritual energy that had once radiated from Guru Nanak Ji, now alive in Guru Angad Dev Ji. Overwhelmed by the sheer purity and divine radiance, he instinctively fell at his Guru's feet. However, Guru Angad Ji did not open his eyes and remained engrossed in recitation of Naam. Baba Buddha Ji then came out and informed the Sangat that their Guru has been found. After which, he, along with Sangat, then turned to Mai Virai Ji, urging her to request Guru Angad Ji to bless the holy congregation with his divine presence and guidance. They reminded her that Guru Nanak Dev Ji had bestowed upon him the sacred responsibility of the Guruship, and now it was time to lead the Sangat on the righteous path as shown by Guru Nanak Ji. It was time for Guru Angad Ji to fulfill his divine role, offering his wisdom and spiritual direction to the seekers who had gathered in devotion, who longed to hear his voice, which would echo the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and to receive the clarity and direction needed to navigate their spiritual journeys. Mai Virai Ji, being the benevolent and wise woman she was, then went to Guru Angad with his holy congregation's request Then, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, दासन की बिनती सुन के गिनती तज आन सो बाहर आई, पीत है रंग सो दुबरे अंग, उमंग महा गुर ज्यों दर्शाए. Meaning, Guru Angad Dev Ji then finally, after 6 long months, came out of his room at his Sangat's request. Though Guru Angad Ji's body looked weak and pale, his divine radiance was stronger than ever. Guru Angad Ji then saw all of Guru Nanak Ji's holy Sangat gathered before him, and his heart overflowed with humility and love. The sight of the devoted Sangat assembled with such respect and faith moved him deeply, filling him with a profound sense of gratitude and connection. So much that Guru Angad Ji recited Gurbani for the first time, as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 83. जिस प्यारे स्यो नेह तिस आगे मर चलिए, त्रिग जीवन संसार ताके पाछे जीवना. Meaning, die for the one you love, for to live after their death is to lead a life without meaning in this world. My dear friends, through this Bani, Guru Angad Ji explained to his Sangat the reason for his hiding. That the pain of separation from Guru Nanak Ji was too much that his life felt worthless. Now, upon listening to the divine words and seeing their Guru, the holy Sangat was overjoyed and bowed to him with happiness. Soon the word traveled, and people from near and far started coming for the holy darshan and blessings of Guru Angad Dev Ji. As mentioned in Suraj Prakash, Shri Gur त्यों तर दूसर रूप विराजत सिख सुखी जजिकै, सेवक एक ही जानत है, गन निंदक नीच नीच रहे लजिकै. Meaning, everyone who meets Guru Angad Dev Ji feels the same divine presence they experienced with Guru Nanak Dev Ji. To them, there is no distinction between the two Gurus. They see them as one continuous divine soul. Only the physical form had changed. As has been mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 967. सतगुर आखे सच्चा करे, सा बात होवे दरहाली, गुर अंगद दी दोही फिरी, सच करते बंद बहाली. नानक काया पलट कर, मल तख्त बैठा सैद डाली, दर सेवे उम्मत खड़ी, मस्कले होए जंगाली. Meaning, the light of Guru Nanak Dev Ji now shines through Guru Angad Ji. And as Guru Nanak Ji himself had said, Guru Angad Ji is not separate from him, but a living embodiment of his own spirit and wisdom. There was no change in essence, only in the outward form, as the same eternal truth continues through both Gurus. Tune in next Tuesday as Guru Angad Ji starts meeting his Sangat. I hope this brings some light into your lives. Thank you.